Yeah, we keep seeing.
The neighbor's great.
Really?
She's watching cruise. I hear it. I actually really like this part because if you go in, you can actually go in and see how deep it is.
Oh,
You have to be careful. You do that.
Oh. Yes, low ceiling.
Yeah, I'm sorry. No, please. I was just gonna say, what number are you like roughly thinking? Just to have an idea.
Well, I mean, it's interesting. Like I'm in the thought, no matter what the price is, there's always something for negotiation.
Right.
I mean, this space is nice.
Yeah.
It's a good place. So I think we were thinking like somewhere like 675 range, something like that. Which I think is pretty fair.
Yeah.
It does need a little bit of touches here and there, but it's a good foundation.
Yeah, it's
The floor is really nice, like that you can smell it's been taken care of. It's
Yeah.
not even place at all.
yeah. So,
Okay, you get like relay messages and all that.
yeah. So I'm doing the open house today on their behalf.
So our backstory,
Yeah.
we want to move pretty quickly.
Can you squeeze by?
Oh yeah. No worries. Don't worry. Don't mind me.
Okay.
Yeah, we're pretty motivated. To move as soon as possible before the market is crazy.
I think that's smart. So,
If there's serious price of houses,
yeah.
yeah, we wanted to.
Everyone's on vacation. Everyone's on vacation though. Like they're really.
Yeah. Just in general, December is a very slow month. in that sense.
Yeah.
100%. So, but yeah, I don't really have any questions. Do you know anything about like the HVAC systems? Has anything been remodeled recently or gone through things like that?
Yeah. I actually don't know the HVAC system.
Sure.
That's fine. I'll show you guys the furnace and the AC unit.
Yeah, let's do that.
So you can see what they look like. This home, just in general, is kind of a mix